it's me Yoana. Welcome back to Yoana Art. Stay inspired everyone. Today I'm going to do a Dutch pot painting on canvas. Let's get straight on to the video. 1 minute guys. So if you have been thinking what to use, so you need a 30 by 30 canvas, any white, magenta, lamp black, dark green, marine blue and red. You have to shake it first before you use onto the canvas, and you have to use a hair dryer, and if you can, just take a straw for the edges. Let's get straight on to the video. Bye! I'm so excited. Particular drawing took 2 to 4 days to dry, and you have to keep it in a cool, dry area so it doesn't crack and spoil your nice, beautiful work. So if you forgot what paint I use, it is green, pink, black, white, red and ultramarine blue. Thanks for watching this video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a big fat like on this video guys, and turn on the bell so you get notification guys. Stay tuned to the next drawing or painting. Stay inspired. Bye.